Alright guys, moment of truth. Better start it up right now. Come back, I need your reaction. Alright, but yeah, so I got the servo buddy in, I got the SC project in. Better start it up right now. Ready? Yeah, I don't want to wake anybody up, you know. I'm sorry to your neighbors, bro. What was it? Damn. That shit's loud.
Just let it idle for like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Whee. Your phone? Oh! Alright guys, we don't got no check engine light. The servo buddy's in. This thing's rumbling. Oh my gosh. I'll rev it later because I don't want to wake up any neighbors or like get any complaints. Oh damn, my battery's gonna die already. Oh! I don't know which way to go. Ow. That's it guys. I think that's the end of this video. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Got my boy Andrew right here. We're about to end it right now. It's already like almost 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock in the morning. We're still out here. But you know, we just vibing. We just been going everywhere all around San Diego, but oh.